The Ceramill Software Manager takes the installation and update processes of your Ceramill software components to a new level. With this tool, both laboratory and DRS Ceramill software users will be guided through easy processes, making update and installation of new software packages as easy as child's play, everything at a glance. As soon as an update for a software component is available, a pop-up info appears guiding to the Ceramill Software Manager. Alternatively, it can be opened via the desktop shortcut or at the toolbar. The Ceramill Software Manager is a great tool to keep an overview on the currently installed software versions, their available updates, additional software components, as well as their contents. This way, the desired software component can be selected individually with flexibility and transparency. In addition, within the Ceramill Software Manager, you can see which AG Live account your Ceramill system is connected to.